Hey guys, Duke and Lydia. Out today, it's Sunday the 22nd. Out here in the rain. Rain has not stopped. It's been raining for, I don't know, we've got probably 8 to 10 inches in the last week and a half. Our rivers are overflowed. Everything is just soaking wet out here. We're expecting to get maybe another 3 to 3.5 inches, they're saying, tonight out here. I'm in the back corner of a field that I've been metal detecting and hunting in all summer long. They weren't able to get the crops in, so you can probably see right out there is the four-wheeler, and I don't really ever wander this far out from the four-wheeler without moving it closer up to me, but just on top of this hill, seeing all kinds of great flint laying around, and I got one. It's up ahead. And it took me a minute to refine it. I got my walking stick marked on this thing, but it looks pretty big. And I'm going to go check it out, see what it is. I had to walk all the way back and get my camera. It was on the four-wheeler. You usually don't have to walk that far back for it. But, sorry if you can't hear this too well. It's raining pretty good out here. The wind is blowing. It's just not quitting. Right there is my walking stick. Pretty close to this little pond area off the sides. A lot of hills and stuff around. But I got down and looked at that pretty close. Right there, that looks pretty good. Alright, let's see what we got here. Well, let's do the slow reveal. Yeah, I can feel the edge there. Yeah, it looks like it's broken. Well, maybe not, man. It's got some pretty good, wow. Wow, that's in there good, man. Get a better grip on that. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Find some water here. Yeah, looks like a good spot right over there. Yeah. Look at that. That looks like a Thebes there. Yeah, man. Missing the ear there. Wow, beautiful, man. Looks like it's beveled on. No, that's not a bevel. That's actually sheared straight off the side there. Oh, how about that? Alright, man. Yeah, that's whatever they tossed that at, man. It sheared straight down, took that ear right off, but I'd say 90% of that thing is there, man. It's definitely a cool piece. Most of the Thebes that we find around here are beat up. That's going to be translucent too. I hate to put the camera up because of the rain. I'll check it out later. But anyways, yeah, man. There you go, man. Killer find. That's a pretty good size right there. Alright, man. Let's see if we can find something else.